Good morning. It's time to wake up.
Good morning. It's time to wake up.
Now I need to hit the shower. What should I wear today?
What should I wear today?
I'm going to make some coffee. Yummy.
I'm going to make some coffee. Yummy.
Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. After breakfast, I need to brush my teeth before I leave. Where did I leave my keys? I can't find them. I'm running a bit late today. I need to hurry.
Excuse me. Where is the nearest subway station? Excuse me. Where is the nearest subway station?
Now, I need to stop by the grocery store and buy some vegetables. Hi, can I get a medium latte to go, please? Thank you. Keep the change. Thank you. Keep the change. It's really nice weather today, isn't it? It's really nice weather today, isn't it? Well, let's get to work. I have a lot of emails to reply to. Oh, hold on a second. My phone is ringing. Oh, hi. Can you hear me clearly? I need to take a quick break. Now, let's order some food for lunch. Finally, I'm done for the day. Now, let's go home. I'm so glad to be back home. I'm so tired. What's for dinner tonight?
What's for dinner tonight?
I'm going to whip up something quick and delicious. Now, let's watch a movie and relax before going to bed. I'm getting a bit sleepy. I think I have to go to bed. I'm getting a bit sleepy. I think I have to go to bed. Oh, I almost forgot. I need to set my alarm for tomorrow. Oh, I almost forgot. I need to set my alarm for tomorrow. Well, now it's time to turn off the lights. Well, now it's time to turn off the lights. And my day ends here. Good night, everyone. Sleep tight.